She was eating a lot of processed, fried, sugary foods. After cutting back, her joint pain reduced, and even blood markers improved. So what you eat every day can help you protect heart walls, reduce swelling in joints, and improve mobility, mood, and comfort. Let's begin. Foods you must avoid after 60. If you want a healthy heart and good joint health, starting with processed foods, sugar, and refined carbohydrates. Highly processed foods. These are foods ready-made or packaged, often with lots of additives, preservatives, salt, unhealthy fats. Think fast food, frozen dinners, processed snacks. Why avoid? These foods often trigger inflammation, raise blood pressure, worsen cholesterol, and contribute to stiffness in joints. The body sees multiple insults: salt, sugar, bad fats,